what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade chocolate ice cream from scratch. This is a custard-based ice cream which is made with real chocolate. It serves up to 4 people. Not only is this ice cream rich, creamy, and full of chocolate flavor, but it is absolutely delicious. Now I do have other ice cream recipes and a frozen yogurt recipe that you can try. Recipes such as my homemade vanilla ice cream, butter pecan ice cream, banana pudding ice cream, and strawberry frozen yogurt. I'll have the links to those recipe videos in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you'll need to make your homemade chocolate ice cream. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some whole milk, heavy whipping cream, 3 large eggs at room temperature, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, and as you can see this is the special dark version, and 4 ounces of baking chocolate. To make your homemade chocolate ice cream, you will need an ice cream maker, and this is a 1.5 quart ice cream maker by Cuisinart. And lastly, you will need an airtight container or bowl to put your ice cream in. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Separate 3 eggs. You're going to take your egg whites and place them into one bowl, and you're going to take your egg yolks and place them into a separate bowl. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Stir with a wire whisk vigorously for 30 seconds or until the mixture resembles a pale color like how you see here. Here we have 2 ounces of baking chocolate. We're going to break the baking chocolate into small bite-sized pieces. We placed our baking chocolate into a small bowl. Place this in the microwave on high for 1 minute. And this is how it looks when we're done. Stir the chocolate until it's creamy and smooth. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 1 cup of whole milk. Give this a quick stir. Let this come to a slight simmer. Our mixture is at a slight simmer now. Turn your fire off. Using a wire whisk, stir your egg yolk mixture. Add your milk and cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture into 3 separate intervals. This is called the tempering method, where we slowly bring up the temperature of the eggs without scrambling them. Preheat your fire to medium-low heat. Add your cream, milk, and egg yolk mixture back into your pot. Stir all your ingredients together. Stir continuously for 6 minutes. It's been about 6 minutes now, and our custard mixture is now done. Turn your fire off. Pour your custard into a mesh strainer with a medium-sized bowl underneath it. And as you can see at the bottom of the mesh strainer, there is no visible egg particles. That lets me know that my custard hasn't been overcooked. Add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 ounces of melted baking chocolate. Stir all your ingredients together with the wire whisk until that chocolate has totally dissolved into the custard mixture. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, that chocolate has totally dissolved into the custard mixture. Now if there's still specks of chocolate in there, you might want to continue to stir this. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir all your ingredients together. We're going to place some plastic wrap on top of the bowl. Press the plastic wrap down onto the chocolate custard mixture, and this will prevent a skin from forming on top of the custard. Cover with lid. Place this into your fridge for 4 hours or overnight. I'll let my custard sit overnight. Now I'm going to remove the plastic wrap off top of my custard. Now I'm going to stir this before I make my ice cream. Just want to make sure all those ingredients are combined together. Here we have our ice cream maker. You want to make sure you freeze your ice cream maker base 24 hours before making your ice cream, or according to your ice cream maker's instructional manual. Okay? Turn your ice cream maker on. Add your chocolate custard mixture into your ice cream maker base. Let this churn for 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes now, and our chocolate ice cream is now done. Turn your ice cream maker off. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now we're going to take our ice cream and place it into an airtight container or bowl. Cover with lid. Place into your freezer for 4 hours if you want a soft serve ice cream. If you want a more firmer ice cream, place this into your freezer for 8 hours or overnight. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, homemade chocolate ice cream. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. I love me some chocolate ice cream. Really rich, creamy, literally melts in your mouth, and it has a nice chocolate flavor. Very good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. If you love chocolate, you're gonna love this ice cream. It's really good. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.